but I'm back. Today's gonna be an unboxing of Louis Vuitton Origami Flowers in their home collection. I know it's been some time since I uploaded. You guys have been great, saying that you guys missed me, excited that I'm back. I've been filming a lot, so I do have a lot of footage that needs to be edited. I held a lot of events, a lot of parties for the holidays and other stuff. Maybe I'll update you guys in a vlog or something, I don't know. So today's video, I was trying to figure out, I'm like, that's it. I'm gonna just start with unboxings, start with reviews. I'm all over the place. My pile of boxes that are just accumulating, I feel up to the ceiling high because I did not stop shopping. But before we get started, heading off into the foyer, please subscribe. Just push that button to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when I post a new video. This will help me out so much and will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Let's go to the foyer. Okay, I wasn't sure where to start, if I was gonna take some footage that I previously recorded when I did some unboxings, or ones that I haven't touched yet, that's just been sitting there waiting. But I figured, you know what is the better way to start than ones that literally just came and got delivered today. So here we go. These are the ones that came today from Louis Vuitton. So if it was a gift, because this is a gift to myself, if it's a gift, you have a little envelope, you can read a little card. Oh, origami flowers. Oh, it's a little book. Let's see. Oh, okay, so I guess this is the artist. Cool. I guess they're the artists. Here's a closer look of the booklet. The artists are from Switzerland. Hey, pretty good looking fellas. You can screenshot or pause to read. And the rest of the info for you. Here is the first one. It's the pink one. So beautiful. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's a really pretty leather. Oh, and it's the suede. Oh, and it's such a soft suede behind it. It smells good. So it has gold, metal. Has a little plastic little foot. It has, let's see, so right here, is it here? Yeah, right here, let's see if you see it. Here you can see it better where they embossed the leather with their logo. So look at how cute this is, and it even has the little grommets or little hardware. It says Louis Vuitton. Actually, I believe the correct term is rivet. Oh, it's just so pretty. Look how it's made. Look at the stitching. So pretty. So let's do a tape measure from the top. So this one looks like it's 17 and a half inches. And I'll see if that's what it says in the description too, so that to see if it's true. It looks like the online description is not measuring from the top to the bottom. It's measuring only the stem, which is 15 inches. Pretty. Okay, that's it about the other one. So, just so you guys know, I bought 2 of them that we're unboxing today, but I did already previously bought 2 that I have out that I will show you in just a moment after I open up this new one, and I'll show you them all 4 of them all together. Oh, another inside box. Ooh, it's hot in here. This one's not wrapped. Why? Ah, pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. So pretty. Look at that. All right, so this one, the suede, is on the outside here, inside here. Inside here, we have the little grommets that says Louis Vuitton. And then back, this is where it's right there is where it says Louis Vuitton there. Oh my goodness, and look how it's made. So this was like a single piece of, I guess it would be, was that square? I don't know. No, maybe it was a circle. So look at how it's made. So you see how this was cut here, but they kept this here to bend it back to make it, wow, I mean, they really did such a nice job. So pretty. And again, the little feet, a little plastic footing. All right, let's do the measurements of this one. This one is all right, so this one is not 19 and a half. Okay, same thing here. They are only measuring the stem, and in which case the stem only does measure 16 and a half. So pretty. Look at these 2. So beautiful. All right, now let me show you them all. The ones that I previously bought too. Okay, this is what I have right now. These are the 2 that we just opened up. These 2 were from previously I bought. So you see how it's made completely different? Wow, so cool. These are like the opposite, I guess you can say. And this one is completely different than this one. Also, look at how sweet they are. So cool. So I just have to see what other ones I don't have so I can have like a nice little collection. I wanted them all different, so I have different varieties and of shapes and colors. So look, so cool. I love it. Now I gotta just say, do I want this to be in this kind of vase? Do I want another kind of vase? I don't know, because I do like these for my flowers and my holiday arrangements, but I might try to find another type of vase that will work good with these Louis Vuitton origami flowers, which I think they're so sweet. Let me know if you guys think you would like these, or how do you feel about these? I did hear that they're gonna keep these in the collection. I'm not sure if that's actually the case, but that is what I heard. So that will be cool. And maybe they'll change them up periodically and and they'll get more sales from me. But I do have more unboxings from Home Collection of Louis Vuitton, and also my next in the kitchen is going to be the tiramisu and party planning coming up. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys, and comment if you guys like these.